David and I are super excited because we are going to a movie premiere in LA next week. My little brother is an actor and he is in a movie, so we get to go to the premiere. But I challenged David to make me a purse made out of plywood based off of our mini flower sculpture. So no idea if he can do it. It seems like a pretty hard challenge to me, but fingers crossed that he can pull it off because I want to be at that premiere with a flower purse. It would be so cool. David designed the flower purse in Illustrator. Then he sent the design to the CNC machine to start cutting the purse. David used birch plywood, which is his favorite material to work with.
Just finished cutting everything on the CNC machine. Look at that, nice compartment on the inside for the phone, and then there's gonna be some sort of handle. But we're gonna take this outside, sand it down, glue it together, paint it on up.
To create the handle, David used 1-inch nylon strapping with a snap button. We played around with different color options before deciding on the final colors. We ultimately landed on a yellow and blue color scheme. And voila, David did it. Meet Walter, the plywood flower purse. Hi guys, guess what? David finished, dun 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 dun, the plywood purse. What do you think? I'm obsessed. We hopped on a plane and flew to LA for the Clerks 3 movie premiere. Look at my brother, he's so cute. Oh yeah, I'm Austin, I'm in a movie. And that's my brother with his adorable girlfriend, Harley Quinn Smith. Meanwhile, David made some new friends. Clerks 3 was so funny, and most importantly, Walter, the plywood purse, had a great night out. So it was a success. David made a plywood flower purse.